Hi, Nicky here, Naturopath, EFT tapping practitioner, and certified Fast Like a Girl fasting coach under the very famous and very well researched and very passionate, amazing woman, Dr Mindy Pelz. I'm one of very few of Australia's 5 certified coaches, and it makes me very proud to be able to offer fasting coaching, support and guidance to my Australian family. So if that sounds like you and you're getting a little lost in your fasting, you're not quite sure where to start, or you've had an experience where fasting wasn't necessarily a very positive outcome for you, it certainly should be, then here's how I can help you as a fasting coach. One of the first and most important things that we do as fasting coaches is to make sure that you're safe. And we do that by gathering some pretty intense information. So we get a lot of information from you. It's just started to rain. I had a little prediction that this might happen. Just walking under a wee bridge here. So one of the things that we do is, as fasting coaches, is make sure that you're safe. And we do take quite a bit of information to begin with. We want to know about your metabolic flexibility. We want to know about your family history. Certainly want to know about your history. Are you currently eating? Any surgeries you've had? Major infections? Or any other major health challenges that you may have experienced? We gather all that information. As your fasting coach, it's really important to me, and as a naturopath, we've been doing this for many years anyway. It's part of our normal practice. But we want to make sure that when we're taking this information, that we're taking it in consideration of what fasting's about to do for you. Not to you, but for you. And so, a couple of wee birds over there, and one over here. So, when I'm coaching you in your fasting journey, I'm finding out, where are you right now? What have you been doing with your body? How's it been feeling? Where are you if you're female in your menstrual cycle, or lack thereof? And any other challenges that you may have physically or mentally or emotionally that could get in the way of fasting being your ally. So I'm just going to park myself, I think, under this bridge. That seems like a pretty good, little fasting troll under the bridge. Why not? So once we've established that it's safe for you to proceed to do some fasting, I'll then go in and work out with you what is going to be the best type of fasting to do. And that could include doing some short fasts straight away. You may have had some fasting experience and you're ready to stretch yourself, but you're not quite sure whether or not your body's ready to do that based on recent experiences. Or you're getting started for the very first time. You might have some blood work from your doctor that indicates that you have to take things a little easy. As a naturopath, I have 30 odd years experience reading test results and guiding my patients, so I'm really, really confident there. But also as a fasting coach, knowing how and what fasting can do for you in improving those blood results. As a coach, I'll be there to pace you, to help you work out when to start your fast, when to stop your fast, how to break the fast, what to break the fast with, and the kind of factors there that might get in the way of you having a positive fasting experience. Will eradicate those along the way. We'll also make sure that you're safe in that there's a big boat heading my way, but I don't think it's actually heading my way. A few distractions here because it's raining, and old mate's going out in the trawler. Check that out. This is where I get my prawns from, these guys. Well, not these ones in particular, but just down there I get my fresh prawns off the and seafood off the trawlers. So when we're fasting together, when we're doing the coaching together, I'm fasting as well. I'm fasting with you. I fast all the time, but if you're doing this for the very first time, I'm holding your hand, teaching you how to read your glucose levels, how to read your ketone levels. I even provide you with a kit to do so. The other side of the fasting coaching is just to get to know other people who are fasting alongside you, learn from their experiences. Some of them will have some little hints that they've come across that really help. I'll have plenty because I've picked up many along the way. and really getting to know what it's like to be in a group of like-minded people going through similar things than you. There is strength in numbers. There's an incredible amount of healing in a group scenario, but if you'd prefer one-on-one coaching, we can do that too. With your one-on-one coaching, there's a lot more, obviously one-on-one support, but we're very, very focused on you as the individual rather than being generalized in the group. If you are in the group and you're looking for some one-on-one support, we can also add that on if need be. But generally, in your fasting group programs, you will get a one-on-one session with me, and then all of the rest of the support is going to be group oriented for you. Once we get to the other end, you'll have this incredible catalogue of aha moments, an incredible experience of having achieved some things you thought your body was never going to be able to achieve. And you'll have done that with my support, guidance and experience behind you. The other thing that makes it a little bit unique to do your fasting programs with me is that I also offer EFT tapping, which is one of the ways that I support the mental emotional aspects of your fasting journey to ensure that when you are going through any of those mental challenges like food cravings, fear, anxiety, hunger, pain, if there is any, some of that can be emotional oriented, and we'll use the EFT tapping to move you through that and give you some resolve to get past that. We can also use your EFT tapping in positive ways in so many aspects on this fasting journey. I really look forward to being in there with you and guiding you along the way, also using EFT with my experience. So as your fasting coach, I am there for you, cheering you on. And just like Mindy Pelz, Dr. Mindy Pelz says, you know, your beautiful body is doing exactly what it needs to do when it's in the situation it is. So one of the most important messages that I do come to you with you as your fasting coach is to make sure that you don't abandon yourself along the way. It's really, really important that you are your own best friend and you are your greatest ally. So I look forward to seeing you in the fasting lane, and I'm really excited to joining you and inviting you onto our next program. Jump on to any of the links below or around this post or this video, and you will find some information about our next fasting program. And I don't think I'm going to be moving outside from under this bridge for a little while, so I'll sign off here as your fasting coach, and I'll extract myself from being the troll of this area at the moment, because it is coming down right now and I'm not getting out of here until it settles. Have a great day.